Guys, sorry I did not start this from the scratch, but I say, you know what, I must display this here to my people. That's why it seems I started this halfway. I've never want to make video based on this cooking, but I say, you know what, some people might be interested in doing this kind of thing because it has been long I made this. I felt like this is not food, this is just to as in fry meat or make this meat this way. But at some point I say, you know what, I get to display and show my people. For those that really want to learn how to do this, just gather here, make we learn them together. Okay, today now my hobby they cook am. So I say make I capture it because you know men they like meat a lot. So this one no concern me, but the thing occurred to my mind, guys, you need to display this, you need to put up the video here because some people might just prepare it to their husband or for an occasion like this. So that's why I finally as in put up the video and try to capture the some parts small so that I can show you. So maybe some other time when he started making it, guys, I gonna start from the beginning to show you how he really used to achieve preparing this meat. Okay, without saying much or without being said, okay, let's just dive into this, guys. He started by putting as in covering the pan with some oil. Firstly, you cook the meat, which is shake bomo meat, soft bomo. He cooked it and set it aside. So he now started the frying part of it by covering the pan with some oil, adding the onions and tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. Guys, he also added maggi here and salt. He doesn't cook with a lot ingredients, it's only few ingredients, not like women that will be adding too much maggi or too much spices on their food. No, men don't like salt. So he's putting maggi, salt, tiny curry and small thyme, yeah, powdered ones. So continue watching these, guys. After frying it, he doesn't fry the tomatoes a lot, he just fry it minor before he can add the next thing he wanted to add. Okay, let's continue watching, guys. After this, after watching this video, let me know if you have eventually try this kind of cooking or preparing your meat this way. Let me know in the comments section and let me know other meats you can probably make in this pattern, guys, or in this method. Guys, let me also know in the comment section. So he keep on stirring it to make sure the tomatoes get a little bit cooked or fried before he can add the meat. Oh yeah, continue dey watch dey go, to show you say men dey cook as well o, no be only women dey cook. Okay, guys, as we are waiting for the tomatoes to be done, guys, if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, I don't really know exactly why you are still waiting for what you are waiting for. Please kindly go to Yvonne Chinua Constance channel to subscribe and turn on your notification. If what I'm really doing here interests you, or if you really love the video I'm putting up here all the time, please do me a favor to subscribe and turn on your notification. Why did you need to subscribe? Is because, guys, for those that complain they don't used to be notified whenever I put up video or I upload video, I'm going live. This will help you or enable you to be notifying or noticing when I'm going live or whenever I upload the video. So that's the reason why you need to subscribe and turn on your notification. Okay, let's not talk too much, guys. Okay, the meat has already added in the pot. Guys, this is normal meat. What did they used to call it? Shekbe. Is it shekbe? I have forgotten the name. Is it shaki? I don't know if na shaki they call this one, but e be like, but I know this is kpomo. Guys, you can pick this kpomo from the market, the one that I've already prepared ones. Guys, the good thing I like about this kpomo is this is soft kpomo being cooked before. After cooking it to be soft, they will dry it, so immediately you buy it and soak it inside the hot water, it will melt. Guys, you don't need to suffer much or stress yourself much cooking it for so long, not at all. Just soak it with hot water or cook it minor, cook it like maybe 3 minutes thereabout. Guys, your more will be done. So if you really want to add it in your soup, your stew, any which way, now way, so anywhere you want to add it, you can as well add it. So my husband, he prefer to making it like this, to be using as in beer or soft drink, as in to be taking it. So when he's doing this, I really like the way he prepared this. I've never tried this before, but I say, you know what, I gonna capture this. So I like the way he make this, so I say I gonna learn it to start trying it myself. So if you have visitor, you can make this kind of setting and serve. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next one.